Rich, that's who I be, nigga. BTB gang, what it is, my niggas. Shots out to all my real niggas. KB 305 MIA, you know what it is. I rob you for your jewels. My niggas straight goons. We walk with them tools, and nigga that is true. 100 round clip in the cave for your crew. And if a nigga want beef, I turn him into food. Rip through your belly, I hope you suckers smell me. And when it's your time, ain't nothing you can tell me. Bars like Nestle, y'all can never test me. My flow is all deadly, so I know you will respect me. And if you don't, nigga, then I make the tech squeeze. The fly to Jamaica, kick back and ride jet skis. I'm living for today, so I know the Lord bless me. And I will never stop spitting till I'm out of breath, B. I'm the best in this game, Rich be the name. I aim the thing at your motherfucking brain. I spit dope, you can feel that shit in your veins. I got the scope, so you know I'm sinking with the range. Smoke so thick when I'm sitting in the range. And you don't want it cause they know I'm deranged. You better fall back, or you can fall back. Fuck that, the Mac make a nigga fall flat. Hardcore rap, a nigga from the trap. And the fact is, in the streets you don't rap. Some niggas just try to act hard on the track, but me, I really put your jaws, nigga, on your lap. Run up on the nigga, put the hawk to his hat. Have your baby moms crying when the moms go black. You talk the shit, come around here, you get clapped. Cause my young killer's hungry, looking for a snack, nigga. That's what it is, man.
Know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Young Rich, real nigga. I ain't gotta talk too much, cause real niggas don't really speak like that, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Cause you know, got them hip-hop police listening,
I don't give a fuck though.
tryna pin shit on a nigga. But what? I'ma talk it what it is,
I'm real, nigga.
but I ain't gonna talk my biz. You dig?
You feel
Yeah.
me?
BT, B gang, KB 305.